y'all, welcome to another adventure in RV living. If you're new to the channel, thinking about full-time RVing, have been RVing for a little while, or maybe are a bona fide full-time RV expert, we're glad you're here. If you find value in this channel, it would rock our world if you give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe to the videos. We would definitely appreciate that. In today's episode, we are actually going to be making our last couple stops in Arizona before heading up north, where we stop in Sedona and Flagstaff. And from there we hit up the iconic hot spots, if you will, Horseshoe Canyon and Lower Antelope Canyon, Horseshoe Bend and Lower Antelope Canyon. So we'll see you down the road.
Good morning. Did you have a fun little nap?
I chose this campground simply because it was near water and it was also in close proximity to two bucket list experiences we wanted to have, including Horseshoe Bend and Antelope Canyon. We later found out that Lake Powell is the second largest man-made lake in the United States, which has 5 different rivers from 4 states feeding into it. The lake is named after Major John Wesley Powell and is 186 miles from end to end. It has 2,000 miles of shoreline, which exceeds the west coast of the entire United States. With over 90 major canyons, Lake Powell offers plenty of space to find your solitude and also offers year-round recreation opportunities. We will definitely come back here. It was so beautiful.
pal in Page, Arizona. How could you ever be upset? Okay, RV newbie, just forewarning you here to help out someone in the future. No matter how much of a hurry you're in when you get to a campground, if your husband has to pee and you're just trying to help out, still take your time. Because apparently, I learned the hard way here. I did what I knew to do, which makes sure everything was clear out of the way of the slide out, which is what I thought. So I did my little chair here, made sure it was all good. Come over, TV, clear, was fine. But somehow I did not notice that this must have been open a little bit. Still surprised me nothing fell out. But apparently that was open a crack because it totally just ripped off part of our house. So, lesson learned. You know, happens. It's all good. Blake will be able to fix it. At least the slide's not broke. It's just that piece of wood popped off. But I gotta tell you, it is very hard to be upset when you have this view of that, like,
loud down there.
steers here. Let me get over so he can. I'm trying to let you go first. There you go.
See what you did and made everybody follow you.
Yeah, I got video, you do pictures, okay?
We're supposed to be here. This is the first chamber?
I think so. He said first chamber, I don't
think so. I think
it's probably bigger. Oh, yeah. This is the first chamber. Fall over.
Where are we?
We are at Horseshoe Bend in Page, Arizona.
Checking out the whole what's up the Horseshoe. And this is the approach. Kind of watch your step. Wear some good shoes or hiking boots like those. These are probably okay too. But it's sandy, so it's going to be a little strenuous, and you're kind of up in the elevations, as you can clearly see. All you gotta do is just park down there. you can find freaking parking. And then make this walk. It's not too horrible.
Reaching the side.
Oh, a crap ton of people down there. That must be it. A lot more hiking than what I thought.
Oh, it is farther.
So you need to be in semi-decent shape for this. Pretty sure it's going to be hard on your knees if you have bad knees. May wish to reconsider or just simply take your time, bring lots of water, take breaks. That usually works out pretty good. Or bring coffee. Coffee might work. Oh, okay. Special drink. Perfect end to the perfect day. Nothing like a walk down to the majesty of the waters and the mountains in the background and an absolutely beautiful sunset. It's really relaxing, very pristine, and we enjoyed every single minute of it before we headed on our trip up into Utah.